Money is supposed to move. In a connected world, your assets should flow across borders, convert on demand, and be ready to move the second you need them. That means being able to tap a digital card at a coffee shop in Tokyo or a grocery store in Berlin, pulling instantly from your digital wealth. But the cryptocurrency industry built the exact opposite. Most exchanges operate as closed-loop casinos, where you buy a token, lock it in a wallet, and stare at a screen waiting for a price increase. Your capital just sits there. When you actually try to pull those funds back into the real world to buy a flight or pay rent, you hit a wall. You wait days for bank transfers, pay high withdrawal fees, and navigate clunky off-ramps. That friction defeats the entire purpose of digital money. You need a financial system that operates at the exact speed of your daily life, without the multi-day delays. Cryptocurrency is only as useful as your ability to move it. Its real worth isn't found in hoarding. It lives in the frictionless ability to trade, deploy, and spend on demand. To make that fluidity possible, a platform must first integrate directly with the traditional banking system. OneGo secured licenses from AUSTRAC, the Australian government's financial intelligence agency, and FinTrack, Canada's national anti-money laundering regulator. Because OneGo operates fully within these strict regulatory frameworks, local banking networks trust the platform. That direct connection means your fiat currency, like standard US dollars or euros, deposits and clears in exactly 60 seconds. Once your money is in, you need a market to trade it. Instead of building a new, empty market from scratch, OneGo uses a hybrid architecture. It automatically routes your orders through 3 of the largest external exchanges on the planet: Binance, Bybit, and Kraken. This setup ensures that your trade executes against billions of dollars in live liquidity. You get the best available price instantly, avoiding slippage, which is the difference between the expected price of a trade and the price at which the trade is actually executed. And there are 0 hidden spreads added to your cost. You get the depth and pricing power of the entire global crypto market, routed through a single, heavily regulated, and lightning-fast execution engine. Trading is only one part of the equation. Leaving your digital balance untouched in a wallet, earning absolutely nothing, is a waste of your capital's potential. This chart shows exactly what deploying your capital looks like. While traditional bank accounts flatline, OneGo offers an 8% annual percentage yield, or APY, which is a metric that measures the total amount of interest earned on an investment over a year, specifically on USDT. USDT is a stablecoin pegged directly to the value of the US dollar. The mechanics behind this yield are entirely straightforward. OneGo takes your USDT and lends it to heavily vetted, licensed institutional borrowers who pay a premium for liquidity. They pay the interest, and 8% flows directly back to your account. You bypass the extreme price swings of speculative tokens entirely. You hold an asset pegged to the dollar, and you earn a predictable, steady return that outpaces standard savings accounts. By deploying your funds this way, you turn your digital balance from a speculative gamble into a reliable, hardworking asset that generates its own income. Once your capital has grown, you need to be able to use it. Inside the OneGo app, you can generate a virtual MasterCard in exactly 3 clicks. This carries 0 monthly maintenance fees and allows you to spend up to $250,000 in a single day, pulling directly from your crypto balance. Instead of hunting for an exchange booth or carrying local cash, you simply open the OneGo app and scan the merchant's local QR code. When you confirm the payment, the platform instantly converts your USDT into the exact amount of local currency required. The merchant receives their local fiat money immediately, and you pay directly from your crypto wallet. Between the virtual MasterCard and the QR payment system, the barrier that used to separate your digital wealth from everyday global commerce is entirely gone. This entire infrastructure was built so that you don't have to be a professional trader to use cryptocurrency. It takes the speed of blockchain tech and wraps it in an experience as simple as your regular internet banking app. You deposit your funds and buy your crypto in 60 seconds, generate your digital card instantly, and start spending your assets today. You no longer have to leave your assets sitting idle on closed-loop exchanges. OneGo provides the strict licensing, the deep liquidity, and the payment tools you need to put your capital in motion.